Okay, so we are here on Revolution in Mixcoac in Mexico City. As you can see, there's a lot of smog in the air. It's a buildup from smoke from the wildfires in the mountains and from the traffic here in the city. You can barely see the buildings in the distance. The air is so bad today that actually the schools will be closed tomorrow here in Mexico City. So as you can see, as far down over there, we can barely see past the bridge. And it's because the air is so thick with smoke and smog right now. If you look up right now at the plane, on a clear day, the plane should be visible, but right now it's really, really hazy. And you can see how much smog there is in the air just by looking at the plane because there's a thick layer between us and the plane. You can also see that there are no clouds visible because the smoke and smog is blocking all visibility.